Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this premium fashion poster design in Photoshop using simple shapes, typography, and perspective effects. So, let's get started. First, we need a white background. Go to File, New, and create a new document using the settings shown on screen. Now let's add our main image. Go to File, Place, Embedded, and insert your image into the document. Go to Select Subject and let Photoshop automatically select the model. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to place the subject on a separate layer. You can now hide or delete the original image layer. Adjust the size and position as needed by pressing Ctrl+T. Now let's add some colorful design elements. Create a new layer, select the rectangle tool, and choose any color you like. Add shapes around the subject. Hold Alt and drag the shape to create additional copies. You can resize and reposition each shape until the composition looks balanced. You can also press Ctrl+T to adjust the size and position of the subject. Now let's move on to the typography. Create a new layer, select the text tool, and add the word summer near the top of the poster. Keep the text relatively small and position it nicely. Next, create another text layer and add your second title. Choose a different font and make it slightly larger to create some visual hierarchy. Now let's add the collection text. Create a new text layer, type collection. And choose a premium looking font. Set the size to around 60 pixels, depending on your canvas size. Once you're happy with the text, right-click the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click, and select Perspective. Now adjust the corners to give the text a dynamic perspective effect. Next, create another text layer and add Premium. Convert this text into a smart object, press Ctrl+T, select Perspective, and adjust it to match the composition. Now let's add another text element for your brand or channel name. Create a new text layer, type your name, convert it into a smart object, and once again use Ctrl+T perspective to give it the same dynamic look. Finally, you can add social media icons, website information, or other small details to complete the poster. Make some final adjustments to the spacing, colors, typography, and positioning. At last, select the rectangle layer, go to Layer Style, Blending option, enable Drop Shadow, note the setting, and repeat the same process for the other rectangle shape layer. And that's it. Here's our final premium fashion poster design. As you can see, with a cutout subject, colorful geometric shapes, stylish typography, and a few perspective effects, you can create a professional-looking summer collection or premium fashion poster right inside Photoshop.